Alright lads, so today we're gonna make a Deadpool Mii. This is focusing. There he is. Now we'll show you guys how to make a Deadpool Mii of your own. So you need a male, and you get a circle head, and for the skin color you need a black, and the hairstyle you need a woody hat. There you go. And the hair color you need a red, cause Deadpool is red. And the eyes, you need these babies, and they need to be white. You need to have white eyes. And there we are. And for the eyebrows, you need a red, which is up here. And for like, and the positioning is there we are. Maybe we should bring these. Hold on. And for the eyebrows, hold on. Okay, this would do. And for the mount, you need. You can add. Oh, silly me. You need to add this, and you'll need them red, like this. Alright, okay, like this, and oh my, and for the hairs thing, you need a beard, and it needs to be red. Where is it? And for the nose, I'm sweating. This is a sweaty. Alright then. And you need. Okay, I think we should make this a bit. Hold on. Like that. That'll do. And we'll go back here, and you kinda need this. No. Just like this. Go back. Maybe we should bring these up down. This looks like a good Deadpool. Hold on, and Deadpool needs to be like a big, cause that's what he is. And there we are. And you keep his favorite color red, and the easiest bit is to name him Deadpool. So, oh no. There we are. And you click done. And there you have it, your very own Deadpool. Yep, there you have it. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah. Peace.